Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on choosing where to play sound from on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Sound. In Sound Settings, the first option is called Choose Where to Play Sound. Click the arrow beside it to expand the list of available sound output devices, if they're not already visible. Now just select the device you want to play the sound from and it will apply. If you haven't paired the sound device yet, you can click Add Device to set it up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.